Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you make a zoom in and zoom out if I can CapCut PC easily. So I'm just going to open my project, and to make the zoom in and zoom out big, I'm going to make it to clip. So the first clip, I'm just going to add animation. Select in animation and just scroll down. Scroll to the right and select zoom. So I'm just going to select zoom 1 and adjust for duration and pull duration. For the second clip, I'm going to add out animation and select the zoom out. Sorry. Yes. I'm just going to add in animation also and select the zoom 2. Sorry. Just for duration and pull duration, and here we go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.